Manipur Thokhiba Erang singi core issue asi illegal immigrant singna thokhan bani haina Minister Awangbou Newmai na fongdok-khre ngasi city convention da pangthokhiba Manipur ki chief minister na tongan ba scheme nifu taruki manungda scheme nipan haudokpagi tharamda wa ngangladuna Minister Awangbou Newmai na makha ta khibada Manipur da thokhaningdaba Erang thaudok kaya thokre naga kuki gi Erang kumja lising maga chamapan marifu tara hundoi da thoki mioi lising kaya siki mayung kaya mai chaki maitei pangal gi Erang thoki mioi kaya siki amang ata thoki paite kuki gi Erang da mioi kaya siki handakna maitei kuki gi Erang asini Manipur gi Erang asigi horokpham khangdana kanagumba kharana politicize tawduna lairibasi laibak thibani aikoi shanti pami adubu aikoi punna santi gi lambi thibadi kari kai ngasi fawbo opposition na Manipur gi laingakta tainaba natana Erang asigi warosin puraknaba lambi amata tanarakri Congress ki leader na thamoi soktuna lairiba mama machagi manakta leptuna photo namki masina santi purakpa oithokloi makoina thaudok asigi matangda chairamba khaktani suggestion amata piramde makoina Manipur gi issue asi thamoi sokna laurabadi kumja lising maga chamapan marifu tara humdoi da thokhiba naga ku ki Erang gi matam aduda lairamba laingak asi Congress ki prime minister na noma phawbo Manipur da lakhibra parliament ta pukhatkibra hanki prefabricated house dilairadana relief camp phawbo laikide matam adu Congress na kauthokpa chumbra haina hanki
Congress ki lojingba Manipur da la peace gi wari to nungai ta duna leiba a grief mother a grief child bu khud songna re photo na maga media da flash to that is not going to bring peace Ngashi Faobada aina ta ho da khante the Congress leaders who have visited Manipur they have not mentioned anything on the core issue why it happens and how it has to be treated they only blame the leader they only blame the prime minister but they don't bring any suggestion. 93 the Sikhiba chance Asigi Helena. But what have they done? Those days were their days, both in center and the state. If they want to teach, they have to show what they have done first. 1993, compared to already after a few months, it has gone down so drastically. I don't expect that this will come because whenever any ethnic clash happens, it doesn't cool down very fast. Adu matamda akoi ki self basis pi na bok tri khona ki bale fabricated house bu to relief bu to makoi wahi mas parliament da sigi matamda nungai te ko akoi si tong da ya da hai ki bale ro du matamda adu ma si la mi nung si hai ki sam do are they not the same wish as if we are deaf dumb and blind the main core issue of what happened in Manipur continuously time to time, actually illegal immigrants in India. Congress they have never mentioned. Congress visit 2 or 3 times. He have not mentioned anything about illegal immigrants and the way to stop them.